Survival Chief here, and today I'm going to try to light this bird's nest with solar ignition. You can see I got my glass ball. We're going to try it out. What I have here is I have milkweed, silk. On top of that, a piece of char cloth I made out of Levi jeans, old pair of jeans, which I find to be very good material for making char cloth. Get that right focal point. It's July 2023. Sun's kind of low in the sky. It's about 6 o'clock. So it's kind of a low angle. I'm hoping I can get it right here. We got smoke. Oh yeah, feel that heat. There we go. Solar ignition.